Welcome back to our series From Mindset to Action, your first steps to real estate success. Last Monday, we talked about how the right mindset is where everything begins. That's where you start seeing yourself as an investor, and the game changes for you. On Tuesday, we mapped out your personalized investment plan. That's all about clarity. There's no guessing, no overwhelm, just a great strategy built around you. Today, we move from planning to doing. Because every investor wants results. But results come from systems, not guesswork. So let me show you how the process works from start to finish. Here's what I walk my private clients through. Step one, gotta get pre-approved. This is where clarity begins. Pre-approval gives us a solid budget, help us move fast when the right property hits the market, and puts you in a serious position as a buyer. Step number two, align the strategy with the market. We match your game plan with actual opportunities, whether that's a single family rental, an ADU build, a multi-unit property, or something creative. Not every property is a win. We focus only on the ones that move you forward. Step number three, property search executed with precision. So forget browsing endlessly on your own. I tap into both MLS and off-market deals. And we leverage local insights to bring you high quality options that meet your investment goals. Step number four, from offer to close. No guessing, no stress. We'll write a strong offer, negotiate best terms, and manage every contingency: inspections, appraisal, title, escrow, and funding. And I'll keep you informed at every turn so you're never left wondering what comes next. And this is the exciting part, right? This is where your plan becomes tangible. You're not just learning about real estate. You're building your portfolio, you're creating cash flow, and making confident moves backed by experience. See, I'm not just your agent. I'm your advocate, your strategist, and your partner in execution. You can think of me as your coach. So if you're ready, or when you're ready to see how this process can work for you, DM me or book a call. I'll walk you through the exact steps based on your current financial situation. All you got to do is bring your vision, and I'll help you map all the moves.